This is Matt Roush, Technology Editor at WWJ News Radio 950. I'm lucky enough to serve as Master of Ceremonies today for this first Robotics District competition at Wayne State University here in Detroit. We've got 40 high school teams from all over Southeast Michigan here today in a very spirited competition that's called Lunacy, if you can see that. What the competition is, these teams are trying to dump small balls into carts being towed by other robots. So there's various different types of technologies being used to throw the balls into other people's carts. There's also technologies being used to sort of try to block other teams from being able to throw the balls into your carts, although you're not allowed to cover up your cart. So it's a really interesting competition to see how all of these different teams are trying to accomplish the same task.
The competitions and just the program in general gives us like a background or gives us the basics of being an engineer. Troubleshooting processes, trying to fix certain problems, it's just the same thing as an engineer does.
I think the benefit is we've definitely learned problem solving and teamwork and lots of planning out and working out problems and then actually having a tangible result. So as opposed to just thinking about it, we've got to make an idea, work it out, build a result from it, and I think we've all kind of learned to work together to make our robot.
We've got teams from Detroit, we've got teams from the suburbs, we've got teams from a little bit outside of the Detroit area. We've been doing seeding matches for 2 days now. That gets down to 8 top teams. Those 8 top teams are both allowed to pick 2 alliance partners to compete with them. And so they start with a round of 8, they get down to a round of 4, and then a round of 2, and we're going to crown a champion late this afternoon.
Overall, I've learned, I guess, communication skills, as well as engineering, of course. But here, if you learn communication, it should be very key to engineering because you have to work in a team anyways.
The competition in general and robotics experience, it gives us, I say, a real good background for engineering and basis for it, because when we come to the competition, we have a lot of opportunities because we have a lot of guests here, like guests from GM or Ford, and we can talk to them and negotiate some type of agreement. Maybe when we get out of college, we can go there and with the background from First Robotics, maybe we can get a certain job or whatever.
The top teams here today will be eligible for the state championships. Those are at Eastern Michigan University the first weekend in April.